Hi everyone. In this video, how to fix black desktop background in Windows 10/11. Two simple method. Let's get started. Method 1. First, click on the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen. Now click on Settings. Inside Settings, select Ease of Access. From the left side, go to the Display section. Scroll down until you find the option Show Desktop Background Image. If it's turned off, simply turn it on. That's it. Your wallpaper should now appear, and the black screen problem will be fixed. Method 2. Click on the search bar and type Control Panel. From the results, open Control Panel. At the top right, change the view by option to small icons. Now, click on Ease of Access Center. Next, select Make the computer easier to see. Scroll down and look for the option Remove Background Images where available. If this box is checked, uncheck it. Now click on Apply, then click OK. This will allow your wallpapers to display normally. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.